Hello everyone, and welcome to this Fuzor 2026 new features tutorial. Now that you have created and shared your web viewer link, this video will explain the simple, one-time setup process for your collaborators. This video has one key goal: to guide you through the essential first-time browser setup required to access a Fuzor web viewer. After receiving your shareable link, a first-time user will follow the setup process. It only happens once per browser. To open the web viewer, go to the Fuzor Cloud links. From there, you can click once to copy the link and paste it into your browser. Click once to copy the password. Upon opening the link, the user will see a welcome screen and should click Next in the lower right corner. The web viewer requires a local folder to cache data for smooth performance. The next step prompts the user to set this folder. The user should click Set Local Folder. We recommend creating a simple new folder for this purpose, such as Fuzor Cloud on the desktop. After navigating to and selecting that folder, the browser will ask for permission to access it, which must be granted. Next, the EULA End-User License Agreement will appear. The user needs to read it, scroll to the bottom, check the box to confirm agreement to the terms, and click Next. Finally, the user will set a quick preference by choosing a preferred camera movement style. The viewer will now enter the fully interactive web viewer. From here, they can explore the 3D model, review the construction schedule, and interact with all project data directly in their web browser. No software installation required. Thank you for watching.